My lord, I am praying for listing of this matter for motion on Monday, my lord, and deeply obliged.
May I please, Lord? My Lord, I have filed one, my Lord, IA under Article 226B, my. I am praying, my Lord, on Monday, my.
When did you file?
29th, 8th. Deeply.
May I please, Lord, take the mention for item number 13 here.
Item number
13 here,
13.
1 here.
Yes.
I may be allowed to draw your
Your core.
argument.
PNRD, anybody? PNRD? Okay. Sri R. Kaur, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has instructions not to press this writ petition. Also heard Sri K. Gogoi, Learned State Counsel, Sri S. Datta, Standing Counsel PNRD, Revenue, Revenue, okay. S. Datta, Upar Sudipto Datta, PNRD. And what is your initial S? What does S stands for? What does S stands for? Satyajit. There are two S Datta. Satyajit Datta for revenue. Okay. Writ petition accordingly stands dismissed on withdrawal. Yes. Yes.
This matter may come up after puja vacation because, my Lord, the latest instruction, my Lord, there is some positive going on, my Lord.
We are not adjourning for that matter. We are adjourning for a different matter. What
Item
is-
for one, my Lord.
Yes. It will be deferred by 2 months.
My Lord.
What is the date of the order?
My Lord, date of the order, my Lord, 3/4, my Lord.
When did you get the certified copy?
My Lord, it was 14/5, my Lord, 2024.
What was the date given? How much time was given?
5 months, my Lord.
Then from 14/5, is it 5 months?
No, my Lord.
Why have you filed contempt?
Yes, sir.
Don't misuse the
Yes, my
abuse
Lord,
the process of the court like this.
Subsequently, my Lord, I have noticed this, my Lord.
Then why have you filed?
Yes, my Lord.
Court gave 5 months. You took certified
Yes,
copy
my
after a month.
Yes, my Lord. This is a
It's not
mistake.
even 4 months.
Here, my Lord, I have noticed, my Lord. After, my Lord, puja vacation, my Lord.
The time stipulated by the order dated 3/4/2024 is not yet over. More so when the certified copy was obtained only on 13/5/2024. Para, list after 2 months.
My Lord. Diploma.
Heard
Please,
Ms.
your
A.
Lordship.
Verma, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has approved this court for non-payment of contractual dues, that notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. 3. Agriculture,
Lordship.
B. Bora. G. Bora. G. Bora, Standing Council Agriculture. 1 and 2. Finance, anybody finance? Finance, who says? R. Borpujari. A. Chaliha. Borpujari is there. R. Borpujari. 3 extra copies within 2 days.
Much obliged, Lord.
2 working days, huh?
Left.
Yes.
Lordship, I have challenged here. Page 27 is the impugn order, Lordship, whereby the settlement was made to the private respondent number 7.
Heard Sri A. Jed Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by cancellation of the earlier tender process and issuance of a new tender process on 10/3/2024. By the impugned order dated 23/4/2024, the private respondent has been offered the fishery in question at a bid lower than the
Yes.
bid offered by the petitioner. Para, let notice be issued. Fishery, did you serve upon Mr. Sharma?
Name has not been reflected.
You should serve upon Sri. Is he there? Sri P. Sharma, learned Standing Council Fishery Department. No. Since Since the name of the Learned Standing Council, Fishery Department is not reflected, comma, the Learned Council for the petitioner is directed to serve extra copies of the writ petition upon Sri P. Sharma, the Standing Council, who would accept notice on behalf of respondent numbers
One, madam.
one. Respondent number one. Mr. Chetia,
I'm for 2, 5 and 6, madam.
M. Chetia, State Council 2, 5, and 6. 3, 4,
Executive officer and municipal court.
steps for service of notice upon respondents 3,
4
and
and 7.
3, 4, and 7 be taken by registered post today. Steps within 2 working days. Notice is made returnable on settlement for how many years?
5 years.
5 years.
Notice is made returnable on today's 13th.
Yes.
It will go after the vacation
Yes.
on 25th.
I'm also.
Give extra copies
Okay.
to Mr. Sharma also, P. Sharma. Oh, name of P. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Fisheries Department, be reflected in the cause list. Okay. Mr. Gogoi,
Maybe the lawsuit, the petitioner running the Hosanti loss at that ATDC losses. Lawsuit, the lease agreement is only for 5 years. But there is no extension from the authority lawsuit. He filed various representation on verbal.
do you have a right for extension?
They have the right to extension, but we file
Is
application.
there any clause for extension?
We apply for extension.
You don't have an indefeasible right. Okay. Third, Sri N.J. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by non-consideration of his application for extension of the lease.
Right now, I am not for extension. I am only for my earnest money and be only spent by the petitioner that may be released. The extra 60.
Okay. Third, Sri N.J. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner claims to have been settled with the job to operate the Prasanti Lodge under the ATDC at Borpeta Road. Borpeta Road. Full stop. His application for extension was not considered. Full stop. The present grievance is, however, with the action of the respondents not to release the EMD and also to disburse certain amounts spent by the petitioner for repair of the lodge. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Sri K. Gogoi, Learned State Council, accepts notice on behalf of
1 and 2 lots.
respondent numbers 1 and 2.
1 and 2 lots.
ATDC,
TDC lotship, there is a council lot.
Tourism Development Council, Corporation.
I have checked, but I have not received.
Notice them for.
Okay.
I will
Extra copies, huh? K. Gogoi. Steps for service of notice upon the respondent numbers
3 to 5.
3, 4, and 5 be taken by registered post today. Steps within 2 working days.
Highly obliged.
Returnable code is returnable 6. Okay.
Obliged, sir.
Yes.
Non-payment of contractual fees, my lord. By the deputy commissioner in respect of the work, my lord, of videography during the ongoing parliamentary election.
Both.
Both, same.
Okay. Heard. Sri B.K. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by non-payment of contractual dues for works done in connection with the parliamentary election 2024. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Sri K. Gogoi, Learned State Election Commission. Anyone for State Election Commission?
I look at.
Name shown.
Not. Election commission is shown.
SC's Election Commission. Mr. Dubey is the Standing Council, madam.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
And I think the chief electoral officer was also made a party. That's how I'm appearing.
you will be in for response number 2.
Yes.
Okay. But-
How could you have not received of that?
okay, we'll seal
So-
serve copies. 3 R Dubey, Standing Council, State Election Commission accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1, comma, Ms. P. Barua, Learned Standing Council, State Election Commission of India, for respondent number 2. District Commissioner,
I'm happy.
K. Gogoi, 3, 4, and 5, extra copies, no? Names of 3 R Dubey and Ms. P. Barua be reflected in the cause list. Next case,
Same man.
Same, Lord.
parties are the same?
Parties are
Number arraying of parties are the same?
Same, Lord.
Okay, same order.
obliged.
Please, my lord. My lord, petitioner number 1 and 2 are father and son, my lord. Both of them had participated in a tender, my lord. Their initial bid security has been forfeited. It has been done under section 11 of the Assam Procurement Act, my lord, which conceives of a reasonable opportunity, my lord. That was not given. In fact, my lord, they had not made any attempt to conceal the relationship, but the authorities held that it could be anti-competitive behavior, my lord.
You had submitted the bid separately.
My lord, yes, my lord, yes.
Lord, you will see the ground.
Then why have you come together?
My lord, it's a bona fide mistake and balance.
Why have you come together in this petition?
My lord.
The separate causes of action.
Ultimately, both our bids were rejected.
Both bids, both have, now by this you are making your case even worse.
No, my lord, I'm not even trying to say that it is a
you
mistake. my lord.
File separately.
Lord.
File, don't join causes of action. These are independent causes. Tomorrow, if you even are inclined to hold something in favor of you, this will be a hindrance. How can you join 2 causes of action? These are separate causes of action. You say, that is why the first question we had asked you whether you had bidded jointly or separately. You had bidded separately.
Separately.
Obviously,
Well,
that is the reason.
That's
Uh,
the reason.
File separately. At least let one petition be there.
Alright.
Segregate one. Okay.
Right.
Oh, on the prayer of 3 BD Decca, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, comma, the cause of action espoused on behalf of the petition number 2 has been stated to be done separately, full stop. He accordingly prays for striking off the name of petition number 2 with liberty to file a separate petition, full stop. Let, accordingly, the name of the petition number 2 is struck off with liberty as prayed for. Move both those together.
Obliged.
Learned Counsel is accordingly required to file amended cost title in this case within a period of 3 working, within a period of week from today.
Obliged.
This case relates to the non-payment of higher charge. My lord. At this stage, my lord, notice may be issued to the respondent.
Heard Sri J.I. Borbhuya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by non-payment of contractual dues
Higher charge.
for non-payment of higher charges for letting out his vehicles to the whom?
My lord, to Home Department. Home Department.
To the Home Department. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. 3 K. Gogoi, Learned State Council, access for all the respondents, extra copies. Within 2 working days.
My lord, only one thing, my lord, pendency of the case may not be part.
Because the amount is too high, Lord. We have to
If
pay. So
they have to give, my lord.
Will come out.
Pendency of the case, my lord. Only that.
Oblige, Lord.
Okay, let
Amount
me
is
let
more
him-
than 2 crores. So we have to pay for.
Yes, next. Item 9.
Lordship, my senior S naught is on left. So kindly the matter pass over for the time being.
Item 10.
Okay.
9:13.
You are there in 9.
Oh, I'm 10.
What is the matter? Who is appearing? 9, Assam University, Mr. Kai. What is the matter about?
It's 9 no, sure, what does that mean? Well, I'm there. He got confused. The matter,
Yes.
the matter relates to an NIT which the respondent university has floated. That is at page 61.
Yes. What is your grievance?
Grievance is that certain conditions have been put in the NIT, which has got no nexus at all with the objective that is sought to be achieved.
What
The-
is your, what is the work about?
NIT is for hiring bus services. It is for hiring bus services. Page 61, your Lord.
What are the conditions you are aggrieved with?
Now the conditions are that, my lord, particularly page 63, if your lordship will come. It
63.
speaks 63.
Yes.
It speaks about, my lord, the public procurement of certain products. And regarding, I'm just reading serial 2.
But how do you dictate them from
No, my lord,
conditions?
the condition has,
No, no,
Well,
see, we will examine your the contention which you are advancing. Where is the lady? Yes, why is she sitting there? Yes, madam, why don't you come up? Senior is not supposed to appear alone.
I am
You sit beside him.
your lordship will kindly see in clause 3 of the page
No,
63.
Mr. Datta, the difficulty is that you are also praying for some interim protection.
Yes.
We difficult.
No, my lord, I'm just trying to place the facts, my lord. The service that they're sought to hire is bus services. Now the prospective bidders will supply bus for the purpose of ferrying students and teachers to and from the university. That is the objective. Now kindly see what the clause 2 at page 63 reads. Purchase preference will be given to MSCs having valid Uddham registration and whose credentials are validated online through Uddham registration portal as defined in public procurement policy for micro small enterprises by order number so and so.
Yes.
Issued by Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and its subsequent orders notifications issued by the concerned ministry.
Yes.
Now this is important. If the bidder wants to avail themselves of the purchase preference, the bidder must be the manufacturer OEM, that is original equipment manufacturer of the offered product on GEM. Well, here they are not hiring any product. They are hiring services. The conditions that have I can read
Are
further.
you a small industry?
No,
Then
we are supplier of bus services.
so how are you affected there?
No.
This is only for the small industry who will seek preference under the Act of 21.
No,
How are you connected?
no, that is why I am saying that this condition particularly and the further conditions that I will read to your lordship,
Yes.
they have no connection at all to the kind of services that they are going to hire.
You see, you are not a small industry, micro or small
No.
enterprise.
No,
This is a condition for them.
no. My lord, the
Is this
condition.
condition affecting you?
I'll just read further, my lord.
Please read.
Your lordship will kindly see. Hence, resellers offering products manufactured by some other OEM, that is original equipment manufacturer, are not eligible for any purchase preference in respect of the bid or services. Now, this particular condition has got no connection at all.
Now, how are you affected?
No, I'm coming to it, my lord. Now, the NIT, if the NIT is to be designed by them, my lord,
Yes.
the conditions have to have some bearing with the object that they
Sorry.
seek to achieve. Your lordship will kindly see the clause 3 and 4.
Sorry, kindly show your locus.
No, I am one of the past suppliers of the
Possibly
university.
you are not a small industry. You are
No.
not a micro industry. These are conditions only for small and micro, not for you.
No, I'm the incongruity in the clauses. I'm just showing your lordship.
Espouse. Let some micro industry come. How can you espouse it?
Your lordship,
Sorry, we are dismissing this.
your lordship, just a minute, my lord. Your lordship will kindly see
Yes.
the additional qualifications set down below
Number?
on the same page.
Yes.
under the head bus hiring services, regular basis, etc.,
Yes, yes.
they have given a table, technical specification.
Mm.
Now, in the technical specification, they say the type of service is local, vehicle seating capacity is 34 to 36.
Mm.
That is the vehicle seating capacity that they are looking for.
Mm.
And down below, year of model, year of vehicle model,
Mm.
they are asking for X showroom.
Yes. New
Now-
vehicle.
now-
Yes.
Just a minute, Lord.
Yes.
Now, if your lordship will kindly come to the clause 3, just above at page 63 itself.
Yes.
Clause 3 and 4, they say about past experience of similar services.
Yes.
Now, if you are asking for past experience of similar services, and at the same time you are asking for X showroom vehicles to be placed,
Services doesn't mean the old vehicle. Services mean that you will need to have the
my
experience.
lord,
The vehicles have to be new.
my limited.
These are matters which have been done. Much water has flowed.
Yeah.
New vehicles.
My lord,
What is a new vehicle? What is a brand new vehicle? These have all been discussed in many cases.
now,
These are all discussions of the, unless you make out a case that it is discriminatory.
now, my lord, the discrimination is in this respect, my lord. There is a set of rules known as general financial rules.
We'll not dismiss, we'll issue notice, but we are, a matter for dismissal.
My lord,
Heard Sri S. Dotto, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Sri Nath. Full stop. The petitioners who are
we are suppliers of
three in numbers,
the three.
claim to be the owners of buses, light vehicles, and have also claimed for providing bus services to various departments, schools, etc. Full stop. The grievance raised in this petition is in connection with a notice dated 16/8/2024 floated by the Assam University Silchar, whereby bids have been invited. Full stop. The grievance pertains to certain clauses in the tender. Full stop. It is submitted that onerous clause so far as micro and small and medium industry enterprise is inserted, which does not have any nexus with the objective. Full stop. It is also contended that while experience is sought for,
Yes.
comma, they are seeking new vehicles with the and the term X showroom within
Yes.
inverted comma has been used. Full stop. Para. So far as the first contention is concerned, comma, none of the three petitioners are come within the micro and small enterprise, and therefore the aforesaid clause cannot be challenged at the instance of the petitioners, present petitioners. Full stop. So far as the second clause requiring providing X showroom vehicles, comma, this court is of the prima facie view that the requirement of experience cannot be linked with the requirement of having brand new vehicles. Full stop. Such requirements are within the domain of the owner. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, comma, let notice be issued returnable by 4 weeks. 3 SCK Learned Counsel, Standing Counsel,
Sure.
accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2.
Sure.
Union of India,
Just number.
no, Chaudhary, SP Chaudhary, CCC, respondent number 3. Extra copies within 2 working days.
My lord, only one observation, if your lordship can kindly consider, that any decision that they will take, that will be subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
You file another case through a micro. You will do something. You are a macro, not a
No,
micro.
my lord, I am told that one of the petitioners, he is having that certificate, MSME
He
certificate.
is an individual.
One of the petitioners, he is
Where is
petition
the
number 3.
where is the certificate holder come? Certificate is not in the name of the individual, it's an enterprise.
No, that.
It
no,
has to be an enterprise. Enterprise, come with the enterprise, we'll do something.
But the prescription of past experience, they are specifying that only the state government and central government suppliers will be
Okay, well,
chosen.
then.
Lordship, may I please? Lordship, with humble prayer, I want to mention one item.
Mentioning at 11 o'clock.
Due to some
Sorry.
mistake, I was.
Sorry. Don't
Lordship-
create this trend. Not
Lordship,
allowed. We are not encouraging. Sorry. Don't mention at this hour.
Obliged.
Don't you know the decorum of the court? Don't do this kind of things. Yes, next. Yes,
Your
yes.
Lordship,
What is this?
the matter is related to the non-payment of contractual work, my lord. Here the petitioner being the president of the construction committee, he has been allotted the construction of worth rupees 10 lakh rupees, my lord.
The works are of 2017.
Yes,
You have come into the court in 2024. Why?
my lord,
4 plus 3, 7 years. How do you explain?
my lord,
Your name?
Prakash Bora, my lord.
Heard Sri P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has approached this court with a grievance of non-payment of contractual dues. Full stop. The works, however, appears to be of the year 2017. Para, be that as it may, that notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. 3, your name?
Check okay.
J. Kotoki. You are
number
standing
one.
counsel to your autonomous. Are you the standing counsel to your
I
autonomous?
got instruction to appear
Uh,
as new.
no, who is the standing counsel?
As new.
Okay. So S. Kotoki, you have said.
J. Kotak.
J. Kotoki, learned counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri S. Nyogi, standing counsel, TIA Autonomous Council accepts notice on behalf of both the respondents. Let extra copies be served upon him within 2 working days. Para, maintainability of the writ petition is however kept open. Yes. Next, similar.
Similar.
17 work.
Yes, my lord.
17, same. P. Bora and J. Kotoki, no? Okay. Serve extra copies within 2 days.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship directed me, Malab, to produce the letters, Malab. That will be produced by Mr. Bodole, Malab, the Corporation Department. Tell him for the passport for the timing, Malab. He's just
Time being today may not be possible. We'll have on Monday. Okay. G. Bodole.
G. Bodole, Malab.
He has come.
He has come actually, Malab. He's now climbing the stairs.
Okay.
After, Malab.
Okay. Yes, next. Fourteen, 15. 14, 9 appears for the petitioner on call, whereas
PWD.
Sri B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel PWD, as well as Miss learned for the KAC. For the KAC are present, para, in the interest of justice. Oh, matter 16 matter or 19 matter.
Right.
Let another opportunity be granted to the petitioner. List after 2 weeks. Oh, 12, yes. Yes, some instructions you have got.
On last occasion, Lordship has directed that whether any letter has been communicated to the petitioner within 1 year from date of completion. Work was completed in 2021. Now they are saying that some defects has occurred and they have.
Yes.
The possession was handed over on 18/5/2022, and the letter was issued to the petitioner on 29/3/2023, your lordship. That is within 1 year from the period of handing over possession, your lordship. Now I have received the instruction as regards to the issuance of the letter, your lordship.
Received by him.
No. Nothing has been communicated.
You
Yes,
file
sir.
an,
Yes, sir.
file an affidavit.
Lord,
Let him file an affidavit.
Yesterday evening,
Hmm.
I have received a letter from registered letter communicating this instruction. Yesterday evening.
Otherwise, your
Uh,
lordship,
Now pursuant to the order dated 3/9/2024, comma, Sri G. Bodole, Learned Standing Council Corporation Department has submitted that the possession of the work in question was handed over
On
on
18/5/2022.
18/5/2022, and the letter was issued to the petitioner on
It was issued on 29/3/2023.
29/3/2023, which is well within the
period
period
of
of a
1 year.
year from the date of handing over possession, full stop. Since the contention of the petitioner, who is represented by Sri S.K. Goswami, Learned Counsel, is that at no point of time any such letter was received by him, comma, let the Corporation Department file an affidavit,
Regarding acknowledgement of the letter.
affidavit in this regard, full stop. Such affidavit be filed within a period of 2 weeks from today.
May I please? Acknowledgement, lordship. Otherwise, lordship, they will say anything, lordship. They will say,
No,
yesterday.
why should we advise them what to file? It's up to
Acknowledge.
them.
Right.
If the affidavit does not disclose acknowledgement, then we should not say. You does for?
When
Who are 2 and 3?
house,
House, Standing Council House,
Publish.
2 and 3.
Publish.
এখানে ঘুরাই দিব, হ্যাঁ? Mr. Sarwala?
Seizure of the limestone, my lord. And this is covered by division bench judgment, my lord.
My lord, I had placed another judgment that day, my lord. That still, issue is still open, my lord. Like limestone is a forest produce or not. Let that kept open, my lord. Twice vehicle,
that
we are ready to release it, my lord.
Vehicle they'll release.
The other issue may be kept open, my lord, because it's.
Vehicle containing the limestone, my lord.
Oh. No, is the limestone, is it still there? It's from 2019, limestone is gone now. We are mainly concerned with the vehicle presently. Let the vehicle be released.
Yes, my lord. Actually, what happened?
My lord, it is covered, my lord, virtually.
No, limestone, that part, whether we pass an order or not, it will not help you. Limestone is not there in the vehicle, 2019 seizure. So effectively it's the vehicle now.
But my lord, case can be closed also, my lord. What I am submitting.
No,
If
we'll close this. So far as the issue of limestone is concerned, we'll be deciding in an appropriate case after. But the division bench has said about limestone also.
My lord, yes, that is your lordship. My lord, additional advocate general has considered because
my
the
lord-
rule says, my lord, this is,
Okay, we will have this on Tuesday.
my lord,
We'll have this on Tuesday.
your lordship may just hear.
If it is,
No, my lord, again, there is another PIL now.
Very
After
short
this
judgment,
will
my lord.
close, my lord. Recent PIL is again filed, my lord.
but filing of PI will not govern us.
And
It
then,
will
my
be
lord,
governed by the
Justice,
PI.
my lord, I have last occasion, I have handed over Justice Surana's order, my lord.
Okay.
There are 5 and 6, my
Okay.
lord.
Uh,
There are 5 and 6, my lord.
While Sri G and Sahewala Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner contends that the issue is covered by judgment passed by the division bench in PIL 79 of 2021, comma, Sri D. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Forest Department disputes the proposition by contending that limestone is a forest produce.
Well.
He has also informed this court of pendency of some other cases.
Well.
Puts the para. Let this matter be listed for consideration on Tuesday. You bring those, same will not do, bring those
I'll bring,
and try to, in advance, try to let Mr. Sahewala know about it.
My lord.
Then
In
it-
in another case, my lord, court number 7 held, my lord, that is a forest produce following a Supreme Court judgment of stone matter. And then division bench said that this is a limestone, not forest.
no.
Limestone.
Division bench-
Stone, my lord, word used is not enough. Limestone is a major mineral, my lord, as per the Mines and Minerals Act, my lord. And that is why it is placed, my lord.
Tuesday.
Two judgments are there, division bench. my lord.
Tuesday, okay.
Tuesday.
Thank
All
you,
right.
my lord.
Lordship, because these matters were mentioned, because my lord, in item number 17,
Or something that said,
there was an interim protection, my lord, which was not extended while it was mentioned by the MSC. Inadvertently, though.
Okay. We'll extend the interim order.
Not technically.
Item number 17.
Everything, that's.
Sri S. Bonik, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that this matter was listed last on 9/9/2024, when the same was adjourned along with a bunch of other matters on the prayer made on behalf of the missing autonomous council. Full stop. He, however, submits that it could not be pointed out that there was an interim order operating, which was required to be extended. Full stop. Para. Also heard Sri R. Dhar
For 1 minute.
for State Council,
Tribal affairs.
Tribal Affairs, MD Bora for?
Three.
Three is whom? Three means?
Transport Department.
Transport Department. Yes, Mr. Hazarika.
Nine.
9 is missing autonomous.
I'm for the private.
9 and you're for? Missing autonomous. What is your name? PH Kaur. For 8. 8 is who? Deputy Commissioner, State Council. No? Anyone else? Mr. Gogoi, you also come forward.
At the end of the day, my lord, he will come finally.
PNRD, huh? Para? Let this matter has been listed on a mention made on behalf of the petitioner. Accordingly, while the matter would be listed as per the order dated 9/9/2024, after 3 weeks, the interim order passed earlier would stand extended till the next date fixed.
Obliged. Wait.
Let's pick the matter.
3 weeks. It was already fixed.
Well, technically viable with that, both have been found to be L1, so we have to choose one. We refer to a particular criteria and that has been put to challenge. Let it be some other time. Otherwise, in March only, the whatever this.
By order, though this matter has been listed at the instance of the petitioner who has filed mention memo, none has appeared for the petitioner when the matter has been called. Para. 3. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, PWD, is present. Puts the para in the interest of justice. List after a week.
Okay.